Wait, what does caseload mean again?
How much they
How
work.
many cases they did and comparing sick days. So if the more cases you do, maybe you're gonna get more sick days.
Yeah.
The source, Excel.
So caseload.
File, basic tool.
So one's an independent.
60 days. Yeah. Case.
So how do you determine what?
I guess it's dependent because they're dependent on each other. And then
So
Is that
your
right?
x-axis is always your independent,
oh,
Is it?
I see.
and your y is
So-
the dependent.
So I
X
want
is
to
always
see-
independent? Or
How do I want to diagram this? I want to do it.
Yeah, you create a theory, right? Your theory of
Yeah,
dependency.
theory is that the higher the caseload, so caseload I would want on my X and then Y. So then you said Y is the independent?
Y is the dependent,
Y is the
X is the
okay, so
independent.
then I wanna, that makes more sense.
And then order by, do we have to order this?
tutorials?
Wow.
Mm.
That seems,
So wait, no, I flipped it upside down because I think the 60s were caseloads. Oh yeah, that's what this is what I want to do. Yeah,
Oh, so I didn't
Case.
data fields. So did you have to order by?
Overwork, yeah.
fair, okay, fair.
So you want to clean this up a bit,
Filter column
so
was not found in the chart.
access format.
And they'll be, you know, if you're
Yeah.
not busy enough, people are just gonna be like, why would I
I like
come
the
in?
line.
They're busy enough, they're happy, and then they get too busy and they start just feeling like I'm too burnt out. There's this, scatter plots is they have to be square
Okay.
when they print. SQC is kind of a funny thing in that it doesn't.
You mean like instead of those circles, they have to be square?
So
or
it's a
what?
rectangle right now.
Oh.
Yeah,
You
actually-
want it-
Size for the
You want it
source.
to be a perfect square. The problem with SQCpack, I think, is that what you see
And-
as a square.
A scatter plot, just like all of these, are really just for your visual assessment of the relationship. And if it's not a square, if it's not a 1-to-1 ratio, your ability to interpret the relationality between the two variables is hampered. So that's why you actually want to make the square. Yeah,
Okay.
and there is a way that we can make it look like a square on this on the software.
I think it's in how we print it.
Yeah, when you
know,
save it as a picture,
You will save it,
So
and,
if
and you
you
will always
could-
see it look like a
as a
rectangle.
display side default as or custom. So choose custom, make sure the white and height is the same.
Perfect. The other thing, that line will print whether there's a relationship or not.
Mm-hmm.
And so we eliminate the line because your brain should say, like, it should be so obvious that there's a relationship that you're like, oh, look, it kind of looks like a line. But if you put that line in, it'll skew your judgment and say that there's a relationship when there isn't. So the goal is to make it like a scatter plot should, on its own without the coefficient line, should sort of say, oh yeah, there's a relationship. Okay, so we put that line in.
So let's see the square. Let's see if it really is a relationship.
Oh, I think it's saved on.
Oh, maybe it's it printed.
Yeah.
Oh, printed with the line.
Yeah, oh yeah, because here I'll read. I'll look at
We
the redo
printed
it.
with the
Yeah.
line, but it,
So now
We don't want to be biased by the line.
we don't want to.
Oh yeah, no line.
Where do you go for line?
So do you guys think there's a relationship?
The main issue with this is that you don't know the count numbers of these, because there could be multiple caseloads and sick days. Because there could be multiple points here.
So your caseload. The question is there a relationship? Like, does caseload affect number of sick days? And your theory was the more cases we have, and these could be individual days, so
There is correlation, but then
Yeah.
there's also variability because you
there's
see,
variability, but there
you
is
see
some.
several parts, but there's-
We need to dig deeper into it. Sometimes that's the result, the outcome of your data is that we need to look at this. You'll brainstorm with your team, why is it, what is it that's making, like, what is it that's stressful on those high caseload days, what's making this stressful and getting people to call in sick?